good, Lou? Hi. You down the slide? Woo! Oh. I like how you have appropriate outdoor shoes on.
Did you land on your bottom?
You okay?
You're okay. Are those your big glasses?
I can't see you.
Hello, Lulu. Hey, Lou, can you count to 10? Can you count?
1, 2. Oh no!
Whoa! Sorry, Lou.
Yeah. Wow. When did he learn how to do that?
A week ago.
Good job. Are you jumping? Oh.
He's spinning. You're showing off good, Lou.
Are you dancing? Oh, be careful. Watch out for the frisbee. Woo! Good job. Dancing?
He's totally spazzing out.
Is that your ball? That's a big ball. Good job. Kick it. Or lay on it. Are you sitting on it?